Welcome back to the channel. Yet another episode. Down with Doug. We're working on my 2013 Tundra again. Previous owner had a sound system installed in this truck, but it was very underwhelming. It had a complete Fosgate system in it, but they were nothing great. But I went and rewired the whole system because you would have been surprised how many splices ran between the speaker location and the factory amp. I had some issues when I first got it that the passenger side front speaker kept cutting out. So I traced the wiring and it turned out there was 6 different splices in the wiring from the... Let's try that again. 6 different splices in the wiring from the speakers to the amp. And then I saw these lovely little component tweeters that they had installed to a piece of plywood. I ain't having that. And even again, more splices. There's not an actual connection device underneath this tape. It's literally just the wires wrapped, twisted, and electrical taped. So I ran new wiring everywhere. And I had bought a set of DS Pro tweeters. They came fairly recommended from the internet. My one buddy, Fix It Faust, his YouTube channel, he had actually bought a pair of these several weeks, if not a month or two ago, and he said that they are great. Let me show them to you. They're direct factory fit. Nice cone tweeter. They are twice the size of the Fosgate units. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to splice on some butt connectors. These come with a factory adapter for the Toyota, Lexus, Subaru models. My plug's actually tucked down in here. I can't see it right now, but at least they left the factory wiring intact. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have 16 gauge speaker wire, and these I believe are 18, so I just got 2 different size butt connectors that I'm going to put on them just so I can quickly connect and disconnect them in case I swap them out in the future. So I'm going to get these wires stripped and then we'll see how they sound. There it goes again. So I alternated male and female so I can't plug the positive and negative into the wrong end. These are just going to push together. I'm going to drop them down into the stock location. I had already taken it apart, but for reference, you just need a plastic trim tool to pop these out. And the speakers mount with a 10 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and get that snugged up, and then we're going to go for a little test drive and see what the system sounds like. But pretty simple, straightforward process. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Again, these just pop right on. I think this one actually goes to the other side. Yes, it does. But you just need to get a trim tool underneath the front edge. And it's a fairly straightforward process. So I'm going to go ahead and get the other side going. I'm going to clean this up a little bit because this truck was actually filthy when I bought it. But again, any questions, comments, please drop a comment below. Hope you liked the video. Look forward to more content. Thanks.